Okay, so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zahelmi Fahmie. My metric number is 19DDT23F1051, and I'm going to present case study 2, DFN40253, subject cloud computing. So let's go to the statement. Okay, so here are the statement. EC2 offers computing capacity in the cloud, and EC2 let me read again. Okay, so here are the statement. Okay, EC2 offers computing capacity in the cloud, and EC2 instance is a virtual server running in the cloud. To create an instance, you need to specify an Amazon machine image, or in bracket called AMI, AMI is a pre-configured machine template that contains a pre-configured operating system and pre-installed application software. So let's go to the question. So we have 3 questions here. The first one is describe the following various concepts of EC2 in AWS. There are 4 of them. So the first one is EC2 instance, EC2 storage, setup EC2 instance, secure EC2 instance. For the second one, explain EC2 cloud storage service. And the third question is conclusion for the question above. Okay, so let's go to the first answer. So answer for question 1A. EC2 instance. And EC2 instance is a virtual server that runs in Amazon's cloud environment. It provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud, which means you can scale your computing resource up or down based on your needs. So here are the components of EC2 instance. So the first one is instance type. The second one is AMI. The third one is instance size. The fourth one is security group. And the fifth one is key pair. Okay, for B, EC2 storage. Okay, so EC2 instance can utilize different types of storage for different purposes. So here are the main storage here are the main storage options. There are 4 of them. So the first one is Amazon EBS or Elastic Block Store. Second one is Instant Store. The third one is Amazon S3. The S3 is Simple Storage Service, and the fourth one is Amazon EFS or Elastic File System. Okay, so for C, set up EC2 instance. Here are the steps to set up the EC2 instance. So the first one is log in to AWS Management Console. After you done log in, you need to choose the Amazon machine image. Okay, and then you need to select the instance type. After that, you need to configure instance details, and then you can add storage and configure security group, and then you can review and launch. And the last one, connect to instance. Okay, so for D, secure EC2 instance. Okay, securing an EC2 instance involves implementing best practice to ensure your instance is protected from unauthorized access and attacks. So here are the key steps. There are 8 of them. Okay, so the first one is use a strong key pair, and then you need to configure security groups. You need to use also IAM rules and policies, and then you need to enable monitoring with CloudWatch. Sorry, I missed the H in there. Okay, and then you need to enable encryption. You need to regular updates and patches, and then you need to use virtual private cloud or VPC, and then you need to backup and recovery after you done use the VPC. Okay, so done for question number 1. So here are answer for question number 2. Okay. So here are the answers. Amazon S3 is an object storage service that is widely used to store large amounts of unstructured data such as backups, logs, images, and videos. S3 is not directly attached to EC2 instance like EBS or instance stores, but it is often used in conjunction with EC2 to manage and store data. Okay, what's in Amazon S3? So these four things inside the Amazon S3. So the first one is Amazon Elastic Block Stores. Second one is Instant Store. The third one is Amazon S3. And then the fourth one is Amazon Elastic File System. Okay. Done for answer for question number 3. So here are the answer for question number 3. Okay, the conclusion. Okay, so the conclusions the conclusions are AWS offers a variety of EC2 cloud storage service to meet different needs. EBS is great for persistent block storage, instant store for temporary data, S3 for scalable object storage, EFS for shared file system, FSX for specialized workloads, and Glacier for low cost achieving. By choosing the appropriate storage service, you can optimize cost, performance, and scalability for your EC2 instance. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening, and I hope you understand my presentation. I'm sorry if something wrong about it. I can tell you if any mistake from this presentation, it comes from me. If any good things from presentation that you got is from Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.